my pocket. I'm the zone, cause I lost it. Zing like a pilot. Start that is cause I'm about it. Come and catch me, boy, I doubt it. I left off. It's Royal Z. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notification bells, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm getting my hair done, and I'm with the most coolest hair tool in the whole world. It's called the RevAir Blow Dryer. So I'm gonna get my hair washed, like always, you know, period. Look at my mom scrubbing my hair. I don't even have a tear. And she brushing all those kinks out. Ooh, check out this new towel that Rev gave me. Time to towel dry. Oh, it's time to get my hair blow dried right now. Oh yes, it's time, y'all, it's time. Wait, don't forget to subscribe. My mommy is about to section my hair with these RevAir hair clips. My mama put it in this word, period. And she combed my hair smoothly with the wild tooth comb. And it don't hurt. Sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Do-do-do-la-la, do-do-do-la-la. My bad, that song was in my head while she was doing my hair. I'm finna turn up when my hair gets straightened out. Hey, yeah, ooh, yeah, tap, 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 mama, tap, tap. Yeah, I was feeling too good, you know? Gang, y'all, like and subscribe. Okay, my mom sectioned my hair in 4 parts. Check it out, check. And the process begins, y'all. It's up already, so let's see ya. My mom got the first section. Let's see how it goes. Oh! Straight, y'all. It's gonna be real good, bro. Oh my god! That looks so cool. We gonna go in one more time so it can get a little bit straighter. It is vibrating my head, y'all. It's like all that. It feels like a massage on your head. Oh, okay. Got a little longer too, and it's straight. Yeah. Period. We finna go into the whole progress. Sit back and relax and watch the magic. See, my hair is so straight, y'all. Look at it. This is when we did the TikTok and shorts. Make sure y'all go watch that at the end of this video. Y'all, I was so surprised how straight my hair was. My mommy is also about to put 2 buns on my head. Let's see how this goes. It's okay. I need something over this forehead. So we end up changing the hairstyle. I have this RevAir water bottle, so that way I can spray my hair. Now I think this one's gonna be the one. Let's see. She about to twist the front like always. I love the twist. Yes, you know I have to have that cupcake clipping because it gives me that pop. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Period, point blank. It's Royal Z.